Welcome back to How to Rock Second Grade with Miss How. We're going to be reviewing our arithmetic today, pages 277 to page 278. Now remember, that means we are on lesson 139 if you are doing it on the Abeka video. Just take a look at the bottom of the page and you'll know exactly what lesson it goes to. Thank you all so much for turning in your quiz yesterday. You did such a great job. That was page 276 for your quiz. Thank you all for turning it in. You did a wonderful job. So let's dive right in and let's begin. Go ahead, grab your books. I'll wait for you. Wonderful job, boys and girls. So let's go ahead and go to page 277. Are we all there? Wonderful. Now, we are going to be talking about division. And remember, we spoke about that earlier this week when we said the answers to a division problem are called the quotients. So we're going to be finding the quotient for each of these division problems. Don't forget, I had sent a copy of your multiplication and division facts. Keep studying those. They're going to be very helpful for you. So number 1, it says write the quotient. 24 divided by 2. If you have 24 objects and you have 2 people and each person has to get the exact same amount, how much would each person get? 12? You are correct because 12 times 2 equals 24. So 24 divided by 2 equals 12. Excellent job. Let's do the next one. 30 divided by 10. Now this one is even easier because all you do is 10, 20, 30. So you're right. 3 is the correct answer. 30 divided by 10 equals 3. Excellent job, boys and girls. 45 divided by 5. Once again, we go ahead and count by. That's right, 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So that gives us 9. 45 divided by 5 equals 9. Excellent job, boys and girls. 10 divided by 2. 5? That's correct. Give yourself a high five. All right, 60 divided by 10. Did you remember the trick? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 6. That's right. 60 divided by 5. You're correct. That's 12. Did you count by 5s? Awesome job, class. 14 divided by 2. 7. That's right. Each person will get 7 objects. 120 divided by 10. You were checking out the 10 times table, weren't you? That's correct. You are right. The answer is 12. And the last one, 15 divided by 5 is 3. Awesome job, class. Woohoo! Give yourself a high five because you counted by 5s. 5, 10, 15. Excellent job, class. Excellent job. Let's go to number 2. And in number 2, we're talking about money. And we know money is very important because it's useful. It's useful to spread the gospel. It's useful to provide food. It is useful for our homes and for medicine. So it is important that we learn how to count it and what each value of money is. The first one gives us 2 quarters, 3 nickels, and 4 pennies. That is correct. 1 quarter equals 25 cents. So if 1 quarter equals 25 cents, how much is 2 quarters? 25 plus 25 equals 50. So we have 50 cents. Okay, put that on hold because now we have to add 3 nickels. How much is a nickel? That's correct. A nickel is 5 cents. So we're going to count by 5s. 5, 10, 15. So we have 15 cents. 50 cents plus 15 cents. But we're not done because now we have pennies. We have 4 pennies. And 1 penny equals 1 cent. So if we have 4 pennies, that equals 4 cents. So let's add it all together. 50 plus 15 plus 4 equals, you got it right, 69 cents. So the total amount of money we have is 69 cents. Let's go to the second one. We have 9 dimes. How much is 1 dime? 10 cents? Yes, it is. 1 dime equals 10 cents. So we're going to count by tens all the way to 9. Are you ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So that gives us 90 cents. And then they say we have 2 half dollars. What is half of a dollar? 50 cents. So if I have 2 half dollars, and that means I have 2 50 cents, that means I have 1 whole dollar. So how much money do I have? If I have 90 cents and $1, that equals $1.90. You are on a roll. Great job, class. Let's do the next one. The next one tells me we have 2 $5 bills and we have 3 $1 bills. So 2 $5 bills means 5 plus 5, and 5 plus 5 equals 10. Very good. And then we have 3 $1 bills, 1 plus 1 plus 1, and that equals 3. So 10 plus 3 equals 13. So that means we have $13. Don't forget to make sure you're putting that dollar sign in the right place. Excellent job, class. Let's go to the very last one. We have 1 $10 bill, 1 $5 bill, and 4 $1 bills. So now we have 10 plus 5 equals 15. And 15 plus 4 equals 19. So that one is $19. Excellent, class. Now let's look at number 3. Number 3 is a story problem. So I'm going to go ahead and read it to you, and then you can figure out what it is. Noah's mom packed 18 small boxes of cereal for their camping trip. Noah's family has eaten half of the cereal. How many boxes are left? What is the... Yes, that is right. It is, but I want to know, what is the combination? It is a division problem. So what are we going to start with? 18. And then we're going to divide 18 by how many? 2. Very good. And that equals 9. Awesome job, class. Give yourself a hand. And let's move on to the product. We're writing the answers to multiplications, and that is called the product. And we're going to begin with 8 times 10 is 80. Good. So that means 10 times 8 is 80. Wonderful. So I'm not going to give you any more answers because you are going to go ahead and fill that section in because you already know it. Because you know how to count by 10s and 5s. You definitely don't know how to count by 2s. Yeah, so go ahead, fill it in. Give yourselves a high five. Awesome job, class. And let's go to page 278. Wonderful. Now on page 278, we're doing something called rounding to the tens place. That's right. We are rounding to the tens place. Numbers rounded to the tens place have a 0 in the ones place. So if I was rounding the number 10, you're right, that would be crazy because 10 is already have a 0. I will have to round what number? The number 9. And I round the number 9 to the tens place would be 10. Wonderful job, boys and girls. So let's mark under the numbers that are rounded to the 10th place. We have 17 and 20. Which one? 20. How about 50 and 41? 50. Very good. How about 80 and 99? 80. Very good, class. Give yourselves a hand. Now, number 2 and number 3, I need you to listen, and listen some more. Because I'm going to give you some numbers, and I need you to write them correctly. The first number is going to be money. So make sure you put the money sign. $240.07. $240.07. Letter B. Letter B is a mixed fraction. Remember, a mixed fraction is a whole number and a fraction together. And that one is going to be 9 1/3. 9 1/3. Letter C. 18,060. 18,060. And the last one, letter D, 5,003. 5,003. Excellent job, class. Let's go to number 3. And I'm going to give you the combination, and you're going to write the answer. Are you ready? Excellent job. Let's begin with letter A. 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7. Letter B. 9 times 2. 9 times 2. Letter C. 12 divided by 6. 12 divided by 6. Letter D. 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4. Now listen carefully to letter E, because letter E has 3 numbers and 2 different signs. 15 minus 8 plus 3. 15 minus 8 plus 3. 8 plus 6 will be the last one. 8 plus 6. You did an awesome job. Now let's go to number 4 and number 5. Number 4 and number 5 are going to be story problems, and I'm going to read those for you. Make sure you're writing the combination and then the answer on the line. Okay? Let's begin, boys and girls. Noah and his family enjoy hiking on the trails near their camp. They hiked 2 hours on Monday, 4 hours on Wednesday, and 3 hours on Thursday. How many hours did they hike all together? What kind of question is that? Is that a multiplication question, a division question, a subtraction question, or is it an addition question? Did you say addition? Then you are correct. And how many numbers are we adding together? Let's look at the problem again. 2 hours on Monday, 4 hours on Wednesday, and 3 hours on Thursday. So 2 plus 4 plus 3, and that gives us a total of 9 hours altogether of hiking that week. Excellent job, class. Now let's go to number 5. Noah and his brother took several pictures on their hikes. Noah took 20 pictures. His brother took half of that amount. How many pictures did Noah's brothers take? Well, if it's dividing in half, that means there's 2 people, so we're dividing it by 2. 20 divided by 2 equals 10. Excellent job, boys and girls. Now, we're going to figure out how many pictures do they have all together. So if Noah took 20 and his brother took 10, how many did they take all together? 20 plus 10 equals 30. Correct, boys and girls. Give yourself a pat on the back. Give yourself another one. Because you know what? We are all done. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.